This night was not normal. Something dark was watching the city today.
Patlu, why does this samosa taste scared today? Motu, something feels wrong. Let's go home.
City forgot kindness. Now darkness will rule.
This is not someone having Patlu, why does this samosa taste scared today? Motu, something feels wrong. Let's go home.
Forgot kindness. Now darkness will rule.
Give me Patlu. I promise I will eat less samosas.
I wanted to scare people. They destroyed my home.
Scaring is not the solution. Talking is.
Patlu, darkness is gone. Now can I eat peacefully? Only if you share.
How did you like today's Sunday story? Write your thoughts in the comments, and if you enjoyed it, don't forget to like and subscribe and